Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and this is Todd's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. This telephone has been in Todd's family for a very long time, and it's associated with a business that they own, and this unit actually took the place years ago of a 3-slot payphone. Now Todd wants to use this telephone again, and we want to go ahead and run through a little bit about what needs to be done. Now we want to go through the rotary dial. It's sluggish, so we want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We want to go through the transmit, the receive, and the handset cord Todd wants to keep because it's been with this telephone for a very long time. And there is an issue with the handset cord. A little ways down from the handset, the cord is missing the outer coating, and he just wants to shorten up the cord. So we'll go ahead and shorten up the cord so it's more manageable, and that way we can get rid of the part of the cord that's bad. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to go through the hook switch. We want to go through the bell and bell circuit. We're going to go through the network. We know that there's a wiring issue with this telephone at this time, and we'll repair that issue. We also want to install a modular line port on the inside of this telephone, so once the unit is installed on the wall, all Todd needs to do is go ahead and plug in any length, any color line cord that he chooses right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. We will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts, it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch the analyzer, that red light on the analyzer is an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. We can go ahead and hang up our handset. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, April 14th. The current time, 3 p.m. And the temperature, 45 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric rotary wall telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Todd and he can enjoy using this telephone like his family did in their family business years ago. I'm sure it's going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.